Hi, in front of me is GIGASET GS190 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu, find sound recorder and click on it. Now tap on this red button, click allow, and as you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking at the same middle button, but if you want to end it and save it, click on the right square one. Now choose save and tap at the left button with 3 lines on it to see a list of all your recordings. If you want to delete one of them, just hold it and choose delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!